Toad in the Hole is an unbeatable British classic. But make it bite-sized and bacony with M&S Collection pigs in blankets, and suddenly you've got festive party food that people will still be talking about next Christmas. Crack 4 eggs into a mixing bowl, pour in 250 ml of whole milk and whisk it well. Sprinkle in 225 grams of plain flour, then whisk until smooth. Transfer this batter mixture to a jug and cover it with cling film. Leave it in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours, or overnight if you can. With 100 ml of melted beef dripping, get a muffin tin and brush with lots of that lovely tasty fat, pouring the excess evenly into each hole. Add a single pig in blanket and pop it in the oven for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, add 2 sprigs of finely chopped rosemary to the batter and whisk it well. Take out the muffin trays and fill each one with batter. Put the trays back into the oven and cook for 20 minutes. When the batter is puffed and crispy, they're ready. Transfer the toad in the holes to a platter. I like to add an extra piggy to each. Top each one with a spoonful of M&S caramelised onion chutney and a little bit of watercress. That is the highlight of the party season. I've got loads more recipes using the best of British produce from M&S, so subscribe to this channel for more tasty ideas.